In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to embed Figma design files in your Docsie articles. To start, head over to the Docsie editor toolbar and choose the Code Embed block option. Once you've selected it, you'll see the embedded content placeholder block pop up in your article. Click on the configuration icon in the middle of the embed block. Next, jump over to Figma and open up the design file you're interested in. In the top right corner, you'll spot the Share option. Click on that, and a pop-up window will appear. Look for the Get Embed Code button at the bottom of this window and give it a click. After copying the public embed code from Figma, return to Docsie. Paste the Figma embed code you copied earlier into the embed snippet. You'll get a live preview of the snippet, so make sure everything looks good. Once you're satisfied with the preview, hit the Save button. You should now see the embedded Figma content displayed seamlessly within your Docsie article. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.